There are 5 arithmetical operators which we can use for arithmetical operations. They are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, front slash for division, and percentage sign for modulus operation. Now this modulus operation means if we write something like this, a modulo b, then it returns the remainder when we divide a by b. That means c is going to contain the remainder of division operation between a and b. If the value of a is 12 and we are dividing it by 3, then this particular operation returns 0 because 12 divided by 3 left with remainder 0. Now if you do something like this, say 15 divided by 15% 2, then 15 divided by 2 left remainder 1, therefore here the value of c is 1. Now all of these operators, when used as arithmetical operators, they are actually binary operators. That means they needs 2 operands. However, plus, minus and asterisk have unary usage as well. We can write something like this: a is equal to minus 2. In this case, the minus is used as unary, not as binary. But when we write, say, k is equal to a minus b, here the minus is used as binary. Plus can also be used as unary, but that doesn't have any effect at all. That means we can write something like this: a is equal to plus 2. Writing plus 2 or writing only 2 remains the actually same thing, doesn't differ actually. So unary plus doesn't have any effect at all. Now this asterisk operator also used as unary operator when we use it as dereferencing operator in pointers. So we'll be discussing that in the pointer section, but as far as the arithmetical asterisk is concerned, it is binary operator and it is used for multiplication. This program demonstrates the working of arithmetical operators that we have just discussed. Here I have declared 2 variables, a and b. A is initialized with 10 and b with 2, and then I'm performing the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus operations on a and b and displaying the results onto the console by using simple printf. You can see that we are displaying a plus b here using this printf. A is printed first at this particular position, then the plus sign is printed, then b is printed here, then the result a plus b is printed here. For all of them I'm doing the same thing. The other arithmetical operations are performed and the result is printed into the console. So you can see the result here. I'm executing the program. So here you go, the result of all the arithmetical operations, they are working fine.